your passions that enchant the traveler. It's important that your profile is as authentic as possible, so only select those interests that actually represents you. The profile that have the most visits are the ones which are more specific. That means, try to select the maximum of 5 interest tags, so that the traveler knows exactly what type of local expertise you have. Within the itineraries that you can offer, what topics will your traveler experience through your eyes? Languages must be carefully selected. That is, you must select only those languages that you have fluency. If you have other more basic knowledge in other languages, just mention it on About field, where you can describe about yourself.